Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to tell you guys about over 45 credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So I told you guys I was going to get this done and I finally got it done. I do have more accounts that I have to add on, but honestly, I just didn't have videos and everything set up for me to easily move it over. So this list is going to easily go over 60. So definitely keep checking back to see if there's new ones, but we don't need 45 credit cards, you guys. So this should be more than enough right now for you guys to get started, especially if you need to get some credit cards. So the other day I showed you guys one of my clients where I was able to get all of her accounts deleted except 2, and she had 53 total accounts over on all 3 credit bureaus, right? And I asked her, did she apply for some credit cards? And she said no. And I said, hey, you need to apply for some credit cards because that's going to get you over 700. And all she could say is, okay, I'm just going to open myself back up. No, honey, you need to open up 4 credit cards total. And that's minimum because you need accounts to start reporting to the credit bureaus. So I told her, just try to find some credit cards that can be able to pre-qualify her without a hard inquiry. And I know I had a previous list for you guys, so I just made sure I put this list right on my website, Rickita.com, to make it so much easier for you guys. When I need to go apply for credit cards, I literally go through my own websites a lot because it's so much information on there. So let's go over this list. And remember, these credit cards are able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. But if you accept any of the offers from this credit card, you guys, it's going to be a hard inquiry. Okay? All right, good. So when you're on my website, Rickita.com, you can schedule a call with me right here. So if you have questions, schedule a call with me or somebody on my team. What you have to do is just scroll down, and then you will see we have this new one here, pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. So you guys can click right here, and then you'll see a lot of credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. For those people that never watch my videos, I even have a list for bad credit, students, for travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, and cash back. So if you're looking to get some gas credit cards, they're here. You want to build your credit, they're here. If you're a student, you're looking for student credit cards, then they're here. But we want to look at the one right here, pre-qualifying with no hard inquiry. So it's a lot of accounts on here, you guys. Good credit, bad credit, minimum 500 credit score. Some of them you don't need a credit score at all to qualify for them, but they're going to be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Okay, so let's go over some of these accounts now. It is a lot of credit cards on this website. It may take a little longer for all of these videos. All of these are videos about each credit card. It may take a little longer for these to actually load, but go ahead and watch these videos. And another thing too, if you ever like any of these credit cards and you want to see a full breakdown of each of these credit cards, you can always search it right here on the top of the search bar. So you can search these credit cards and you can see other people that got approved for them. You'll be able to see a lot there. So definitely check that out. So the first one is Self. This is good for those people that's building credit. Definitely check them out. Credit Builder card, also great for those people that's trying to build credit. I like the Credit Builder card because they're not going to check your credit at all, no hard inquiry at all. But still, to me, it's pre-qualified with no hard inquiry. So you're not going to get a hard inquiry. So I like that one. That was good. Also, we have Kickoff here. Kickoff is going to do a soft pull because they want to just verify your identity, but you're not going to get a hard inquiry dealing with them, which is good. Discover can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. There's a lot of Discover credit cards on here. This one is the secure credit card. But again, these credit cards, they can pre-qualify you. This company can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, which is really good. And this is their secure one. So usually you put a $200 deposit down on it. In about 6 to 9 months, they're going to increase your limit and give you your $200 back. And as long as you do right by them and your other accounts that you have, you should be able to get that increase, which is good. Tumo can pre-qualify you. They're not actually going to look at your credit, though. They're going to look at your banking history and determine whether or not they want to approve you. But they're going to approve you all the way up to $10,000. So definitely check them out. And they do report to the credit bureaus. Here's another Discover. This is the Chrome gas restaurant credit card. This is a great one that can pre-qualify you also. Some of these cards with Discover have 0% APR. So definitely check them out. And Discover is going to pull your TransUnion credit report. We have the Apple card on here. Apple can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. And I love Apple. I love my Apple card. So I love that I can get base cash back. I can get like a base cash back just by using my Apple Pay. No matter if like another credit card was only going to give me 1%, they're going to give me that base cash back, which is really good as long as I use my Apple Pay. So that's my standard. If I can't get maximum cash back, I'm going to use my Apple Pay to at least get that base cash back. So definitely check that out. We got the N Rewards. You can put a $200 deposit down on this one. It's a Navy Federal card. And in about 6 months, it's going to increase to $2,000. It is a secure card. You guys are going to see this here because a lot of times you're going to want to get approved for some of these credit cards. like the Discover Miles card. And if you guys don't have your credit together, then it's going to be hard to get approved. So definitely use these dispute letters. They're under $30. It's six letters in each package and 4 letters in that bankruptcy package. And if you click on them, you'll see these for late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, and bankruptcy. It can help you remove those accounts from your credit reports. But here is another Discover It Miles credit card. This one you can pre-qualify for. They have 0% APR for 15 months. I have the Pedal 1 and the Pedal 2 on here. So definitely check them out. They're both Visa's cards. So definitely see which one you like. You can pre-qualify for them without hard inquiry. Another Discover, this is their cash back card. I like this one. You get 5% cash back in rotating categories, and they have 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months. Capital One, this is their secure card. Now with their Capital One secure card right here, this one here, you can put, they may tell you, oh, you only have to put $49 down depending on your credit. And that one can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So definitely check it out. In about 6 months, they should give you your money back and increase your limit. So I definitely like that one. Here's another Discover card that you all can check out. This may be a great one for you all. So definitely see if you like this Discover. All of them, like I said, can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So they may be great. And this one offers 0% APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. Now we have the Open Sky Visa here. This is a great one if you're building credit. Discover Student, this is their student card. With this Discover Student, you guys really don't need to have credit at all. So definitely see if you can get this one pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. But if you guys are a student, make sure you use your student email address, because that's going to help you guys get approved using your student email address when you apply for any student card. Again, the dispute letters, again, if you guys need to delete them accounts from your credit reports, don't wait, because when you apply for credit cards, those accounts can stop you from getting approved. So definitely check out those letters. Now, we also have the Credit One Bank. We actually have another Credit One Bank on here. These ones can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. They're probably going to pull your Experian credit report, but watch out for that annual fee, okay? Now, this is the Discover It Student Cashback Card. Think of this as a student cashback card, just like their Discover, but it's just for students, okay? Try to see if you can pre-qualify for it, but make sure that you put in your student email address and understand they want to pull your TransUnion credit report if you accept the offer. Capital One Venture One, this one can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. They can approve you up to $10,000. Capital One is going to pull all 3 credit bureaus, but they're going to also report to all 3 credit bureaus. So keep that in mind. The Discover It Student Cashback Card. I actually have the wrong title here. I have to edit this. I guess me trying to rush, but this is actually the Credit One. Don't worry about this title here. This is the Credit One. This is their American Express card. Remember I told you had another Credit One. I definitely have to fix this after the video. Probably by the time you see it, it'll already be fixed. But this one here, you can pre-qualify for it without a hard inquiry. So it is a great card for you. We also have the Wayfair card here that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So this is another great one. They're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. I love my Walgreens credit card, especially since I'm a couponer and I like to coupon at Walgreens, CVS. I love to, in Publix, Walmart. I love my Walgreens card because I basically get all of my stuff for free from couponing. Like 1 week I got like 20 detergents, and you know I have a big family, so it's perfect for us. But I definitely love my Walgreens cards. They give us great rewards, and you can pre-qualify for it without a hard inquiry. We also have the NASA credit card. You can pre-qualify for them without a hard inquiry, and they have no balance transfer fees, which is really good. So check them out. Mission Lane is for those people that's in the stage of building their credit, but it's a great card for you. So definitely check that out. We have Credit Strong here. They can pre-qualify you. Capital One, again, this is just their regular platinum. It's not secure. This is a great starter card. It was one of my starter cards after I messed up my credit and had to redo it. Like when I first turned 18, I got a credit card, and then I had to start building my credit again. This was one of the ones I ended up getting. Actually, it was my 3rd time building my credit, because I got credit cards and paid them off once they charged off, but didn't understand credit at that time. So it was a great card to really start building my credit. Also, Prosper is good for building your credit. Milestone is another good one. So definitely check that one out. And then also we have the Indigo credit card. Definitely check this one out. This is a great one when you guys are in a stage of building your credit. So check it out and see if you like that card. And it's so many other credit cards on here, you guys. So definitely check it out. We have the Capital ones, Saver One, Cash Rewards. So definitely check that one out here too. And let's see what else we have on the list that you guys may like. Oh, Tempur-Pedic. So it's a few accounts on here that is good for those people that, you know, you're trying to get credit cards for, you know, your house. You're trying to get some things, some furniture. Is great for you. So definitely check these out. Some credit cards on here. Bob's Furniture, US Alliance, some Kohl's. So that's a great card. Destiny, double check this annual fee because it may be high. We have the Lowe's here also. I love my Lowe's card. The Lexus is another card. GM Rewards, a great one. Care Credit here, Synchrony. So it's just so many of them here, you guys. Home Depot, Toyota. So definitely check all of these cards out. There's so many to choose from. And if you guys have any questions about them, please let me know. But please let me know what list you want. So look at the list that I have for bad credit to build credit, pre-qualify. Let me know what list you want me to put together next. And then I definitely have you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.